Hey guys, happy Hump Day, happy Wednesday, and want to take some time here and talk through social engineering real quick. Was on yesterday with a good friend of ours, Greg Bugby. Greg and I presented yesterday to a group down in Florida, and spent a lot of time talking about social engineering, theft of funds, invoice manipulation. The rise in that with AI becoming such a big deal. Jokingly tell people all the time the days of the Nigerian prince email are over. AI is allowing these bad actors to become more and more sophisticated to look better and better in front of your screen. So lo and behold, less than 24 hours after that, I had an MSP, not Greg to be clear. Call and say that they had been socially engineered on Monday of this week for $200,000. So, yes, it happens to everybody. It's happening to people that focus on cybersecurity, and this isn't condemnative of anybody, guys. This is a regular occurrence these days. But I want to talk real quick about some best practices. The conversation today, they had notified their bank, and the bank had told them they would work to claw back funds, but that's really all they knew at this point, right? Had just made that notification, and they were reaching out to know what to do next. So a couple of things. Best practice, yes, notify your bank, right? Let them or yourself, somebody needs to notify the receiving bank too, because the receiving bank needs to know that whoever's using them is committing fraudulent acts, right? They can help as well. Report to the FBI. IC3.gov, the FBI cybercrimes team. I've spoken with those guys in Arkansas and Idaho and all over the country. Very adept. If you notify, and this is where timing comes in, if you notify within 48 hours, maybe 72, but really those first 2 days, they do a pretty good job of getting that money back the majority of the time. And then lastly, yes, notify your insurance company, right? It may not be a claim. Hopefully we can claw those funds back and the bad actor never receives the money. But notify the insurance company. That way if the funds are unable to be clawed back, then the insurance company can make you whole there, right? And then lastly, quantify your risk, right? How much money is in the bank account if it were to be drained out? How much money are you moving? What are the invoices that you're paying, right? Most cybercrime policies are going to cap around $250,000. If you have the potential to lose more than 250K, know that sublimit exists commonly in the industry, and go insure yourselves for more than that, either by requesting higher limits with your carrier or establishing a crime policy. So again, kind of coincidental. Talked about that yesterday, presented on it yesterday, and then got that phone call today. And yeah, it just puts a pit in your stomach. You hate this for business owners. To see that even MSPs are going through it shows you how serious it is. But there are some best practices in place that'll make things go smoother down the road. So stay vigilant out there, stay safe, and have a great day.